In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Shopify PIN. A Shopify PIN is a simple 4-digit code that your team uses to access Shopify POS and approve certain in-store actions. Setting it up correctly helps you keep sales activity tied to the right staff member and adds an extra layer of security at the checkout. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, not the POS app on your device. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to manage staff details. If you don't have that access, you'll need an owner or someone with the right permissions to follow these steps. Once you're in the admin, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This takes you to the area where you control behind the scenes options for your store. From there, open Users and Permissions. This is where all staff profiles live and where you can manage what each person can do within your store and on POS. Find and select the staff member you want to create a PIN for. Clicking their name opens their profile. This profile is where you'll see their role, permissions, and any POS specific settings that apply to them. Scroll down the page until you see the section labeled POS PIN or Staff PIN. The name can vary a bit depending on your interface, but you're looking for the area dedicated to the point of sale PIN. This is the code that person will enter on POS devices when they clock in, access the app, or approve restricted actions. Enter a 4-digit PIN for that staff member. Choose something that's easy for them to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious combinations like 0,000 or 34, and don't reuse the same PIN across multiple people. Treat this like a key to your register, shared securely, changed if it's ever exposed, and unique to each staff member. If your team uses a secure, centralized way to communicate sensitive details, use that to share the PIN rather than writing it down at the register. When you're done, click Save. You should see a quick confirmation that the profile has been updated. The new PIN typically takes effect right away on Shopify POS. If it doesn't show up immediately, have the staff member log out and back in on the POS device to sync changes. That's all it takes. You signed into the admin, went to settings, opened users and permissions, selected the staff profile, found the POS PIN section, entered a secure 4-digit code and saved your changes. Now your team member is ready to use their PIN at the point of sale.